Last class we discussed about the major cereals, pulses, sugarcane, then vegetables, fruits and etc. Okay, so we are continuing the remaining part. Then next topic is oil seeds. Next one is oil seeds. We know for cooking purpose and several other purpose we are using several types of oils that we get from several other sources. Okay, vegetables oils are there, essential oils are there, volatile oils and some other types of oils are there. So first one is groundnut or peanut, that is most widely used in Tamil Nadu, is it? Groundnut or peanut. Groundnut or peanut. Okay, so the scientific name is Arachis hypogaea. Arachis hypogaea. You can continue with that our previous tabular column. Okay, so the scientific name is Arachis hypogaea and it is originated in Brazil. It is originated in Brazil and in India it is mostly cultivated in the north states, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. We know what is the use of groundnut or peanut? Producing oils. Actually we are discussing about oil seeds. So we are mainly focusing about the production of oil from peanut. Okay. So in peanut about 45% is oil. Peanut containing about 45% oil. And also it contains vitamins, especially thiamine, riboflavin, niacin. It contains vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. These are vitamin B derivatives. Okay. And then what are the uses? For cooking purpose and for also production of soap, lubricants, other types. Okay. So that's about groundnut. Now second one is gingerly. Second one is gingerly, Sesamum indicum. You are familiar with this? Sesamum indicum. You can see in the bakery some snacks which is prepared with sesamum. Okay, so from sesamum also we are producing oil and it is originated in Africa. It is originated in Africa. Okay, in India it is mainly cultivated in the West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, that is north side. North side mainly people are using sesamum oils. Then the uses is for cooking purpose, production of soap, lubricants, perfume, then finally snacks. In the preparation of snacks and also we will use this for some decoration purpose also. It is used in the production of some sweet. Okay, sweet, it is used mainly for decoration. It will look like some good aesthetic sense. So that's about oil seeds. Then spices. Spices, first one, cardamom. Elseria cardamom. Scientific name is Elseria cardamom. Elseria cardamom. Okay. So it is originated in South India. It is originated in South India and it is widely classified in South India also. We will call cardamom as queen of spices. Queen of spices. So what are the uses of cardamom? It is mainly used as flavoring agents. While we are preparing payasam and some other sweets, we will use this as a flavoring agent, and also we will powder it for preparing some other food products then garnishing purpose, then sweet, and also we can use this as a mouth freshener. Okay. So, queen of spices is cardamom. Queen. Then, who is the king? Pepper. Pepper is the pepper. Piper nigrum is the king of spices. King of spices. Why British came to India? To grabbing pepper from the south. Okay. Mainly first, you know who first? Portuguese. The name? Yes, Vasco da Gama. He came to Kerala to steal the pepper. Okay. Pepper treasure from the Kerala. So we can call as king of spices. There are two types of pepper. Black pepper and white pepper. Black pepper is more valuable than white. Okay. Then what are the uses? Mainly for cooking purpose. Then, and also while we are having this pepper, it enhances the salivary and gastric secretion. Okay, if you just go to home and take one pepper and just chew it, it will increase the secretion of salivary juices. And also it will help in the gastric juice secretion. So it will increase the digestion. Okay, and also it enhances the bioabsorption of medicine. Bioabsorption of medicine. So king of spice is pepper and queen of spice is cardamom. In exam 1 mark questions may be asked. Okay, then last spice is turmeric. Turmeric. Curcuma longa. Curcuma longa. Turmeric, you people are really familiar with this, is it? You know, it is originated in the Southeast India, that is in India. And in Tamil Nadu, you know, something related to curcuma, and what is the relation between curcuma and Tamil Nadu, you know? Are you heard about Erode? Erode. You know, Erode is the world, not India, world's largest wholesale selling market for turmeric. World largest selling market of turmeric. Okay, so what are the uses of turmeric? It is for cooking purpose and cosmetic purpose. If any pimples, some rashes, anything come in your skin, you can use as a cosmetic purpose. And dyeing. Dyeing means not dead. Dyeing, coloring. Coloring of some clothes or some wall, whatever it is. Okay. Then coloring agents in pharmacy. In pharmacy, while preparing the medicines, some yellow color medicines we will obtain. So the coloring is with the help of turmeric. Okay. Why we are using natural objects? No side effects will become when we using turmeric. Then food industry. Mainly turmeric is dependent in food industry and which is used in several ceremonies. You know, Tamil Nadu there are several type of ceremonies going on. And also it is used in the dyeing of leather, fiber, paper and toys. A chemical substance which is present in the turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin. It is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, antifungal, antiviral. Okay, so this turmeric is against virus, inflammation, bacteria, fungal. That's why if any microbe which we come to in contact, we directly go and take some turmeric powder and we will make into a paste along with salt and we apply there. Okay. And if we continuously consuming turmeric, it will minimize the chances of coming heart attack. chances of coming heart attack. How? It stops the platelets. It stops platelets from clotting in the artery. Arteries and veins. So, the blood is carrying through the arteries and veins. Okay. So, when the blood is carrying through the artery to the heart, maybe some chances of clotting, they happen. So, this leads to heart attack. Actually, what is heart attack? Blockage of the arteries or veins. Okay. So, this turmeric, it helps to stop the platelets by clumping or agglutination. Okay. So, that's about turmeric. Then finally, chilies. Chilies, you are familiar. Capsicum, annum. Capsicum, capsicum, annum. There are several types of pepper. Red pepper, green, yellow.
Red, green, yellow.
So what are the uses of chili? Chili. For the cooking purpose. Spices, that is. Cooking purpose, and we are using it in the preparation of sauce, some other curry powders, and also preparing pickles, etc. Just like turmeric, one chemical component which is present in chili is capsicum. These are one more question. Okay. It is an active component which is present in the chilies. Actually, it is pain relieving property. It has pain relieving property. You just think, okay, if you have some chilies, your pain will be relieved. Tell me. So, it helps in the relieving. And also, we are using several balms. If we are feeling headache or some other pain, we are using balm. After using that pain relief balm, we feel burning sensation, is it? That is due to the presence of some components from the chili. Then chilies contain vitamin C, A, E. So definitely you have to consume or eat chili. Why? Because it contains vitamin A, C, E. So you have to include chili in your food, not barely either in curries or some other thing. Okay. Then, so that's about oilseed and spices. Now, tamarind. You know what is tamarind? Tamarind. What is tamarind? Tamarind indica. Scientific name is? Puli. Is it? It is originated in the tropic Africa. From Africa, it came to India. Okay. And India, all over the places, it is not cultivating, actually, it is there. Roadside also we can see. Then what is the use? Mainly it is used in preparing food, not only rasam, boy. Okay. It is preparing mainly used in the culinary purpose. Culinary means cooking purpose. Then fibers. Cotton. Cotton. Gossypium species. SPP means species, short form of species. Okay, Gossypium species. It is cultivated in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and in Tamil Nadu. You know Tirupur. And you know cotton is the most important non-food commercial crop. Mainly crops are important for food. Instead of food, it is more important for the purpose of textile industry, mainly for the preparation of clothes and toys. You know toys also. We will place cotton inside the toys, and also it is mainly used in hospital purpose. So fibers, cotton, Gossypium species, it is the most important non-commercial food crop. And then jute. Corchorus species. SP or SPP? Okay. Corchorus species. Jute. What is the use of jute? Jute, it is mainly from India, all over India and also in Bangladesh. Okay. Jute, it is mainly for the preparation of bag, sack. Okay. Then blankets, curtains, etc. It can be prepared with the help of jute. So two types of fibers, jute and cotton. Then timber. Timber means wood. Timber. Teak. Are you familiar about teak? Textona grandis. Okay. Nowadays it is cultivated. Actually, it takes a long period of time to 40 or 50 years it will take. Okay. So it is mainly used for furniture purpose, for designing of furniture, some wooden houses. In India, mainly Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Northwest India, mainly it is cultivated, and it is originated in the Southeast Asia. We are using it for furniture purpose, wooden home preparation, building, and somewhere the small branches can be used for firewood. Then preparation of boat, toys, etc. Okay. Then that's only one timber you have to study. Then latex. That is rubber. Hevea brasiliensis. It is originated in Brazil. Okay. So in India, Kerala is the largest production area of rubber. You know what is the uses of rubber? Eraser. No. That rubber is not there. Okay. Preparation of some other things. We will discuss. There are 3 types of rubber: hard rubber, concentrate rubber and formed rubber, or hard rubber, concentrate latex or formed latex. Hard, concentrate, formed. There are 3 types of latex: hard latex, concentrate latex and formed latex. Okay, based on which type of latex we are using for several production. Okay, maybe hard latex may be used for some other production. Concentrated latex for used for some other production. Okay. So mainly the rubber or latex is used for the manufacture of footwear. You are wearing footwears. It is from the latex. Okay. Then the wire, cable wire. Some other insulators. Then raincoat. Okay. Actually leathery substance all are made from latex, leather. The things that are made with the help of leather. Okay. Then hard rubber. It is used for in electrical and radio engineering industries. In electrical industry, that is wire and other, and radio engineering industries also, for the preparation of some type of cables, fibers, weather that are prepared by hard rubber. Then what about concentrated latex? It is used for making gloves, balloons, some other things. Then formed latex. Formed latex is used in the manufacture of cushion, pillows. Cushion means sofa set. Okay. Pillows and belts, life belts, not this belt, life belts. Okay. So these are the uses of latex. So now you know, okay, latex is containing many usages. Okay, so it's more chances of asking question about latex. Actually, this chapter is really dry. There are so many varieties are there, like pulses, cereals, latex, timber, all these, etc. So it is quite difficult to study all the where it is origin, what are the places where it is cultivated. Okay, so now you just listen. It is latex. We study so many important things about latex. Okay, so many informations are given about latex. So it is more chances of asking about questions related to rubber. Just like that, you have to sort out from this. Okay, I will give you a page. I will give you certain questions which are more important. I will give you the list. No problem. But you have to also sort it. Then pulp wood. Pulp wood. You know what is pulp wood? Huh? You know what is pulp wood? How the paper came? Oh, sorry, I didn't hear. Okay. Bamboo. Not only from bamboo. From all trees we can prepare paper. Actually, the wood is converted into pulp wood by some chemical and mechanical purpose. Okay, based on some chemical and mechanical purpose, we converted the wood into pulp wood. And this pulp is converted into paper. Okay. So, pulp wood, it is from Cyprus papyrus. Cyprus papyrus. So the use is mainly for the preparation of paper. There are some plants which mainly used for the preparation of paper or wood pulp is Milia, Nilolamerica, Casuarina, Eucalyptus, etc. Casuarina you know. We will call them as Kartadi madam. Actually, the leaves should be needle-like leaf, and a corn will be there. Corn. So when a high bloom of wind come, it will swing. That's why it is called as Kartadi. So those wood are mainly used for the preparation of pulp, and these pulp will be converted into paper. Then dyes. Dyes you will be familiar. Henna. Yes. Henna. You will be familiar with henna. We mainly use the henna for dyeing our hair, nails, hands, skin. Okay. Then, Lawsonia inermis. Lawsonia inermis. You are feeling difficult on studying scientific names. You know where it is originated? It is originated in North Africa and Southwest Asia, and mainly it is cultivated in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Okay, so it is mainly used in dyeing hair, skin, nails, etc. In almost all the wedding ceremonies and other ceremonies we will use this henna. Then cosmetics. Cosmetics. Aloe. Scientific name is aloe vera. Aloe vera you are familiar. We can see so many aloe vera plants in your area also. So you are using it. You people are using it. Oh my God. You have to use. Actually, you have to clean that green colored spines and green colored sheath, and you can take the gel which is present inside the aloe vera and you can make it juice. You can make it juice by putting sugar and you can drink. This is a very good drink. Okay, chutney, water. You know where it is originated? It is originated in Sudan. Sudan. It is there. And it is cultivated in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so what are the uses? There are so many uses for aloe vera. Mainly we can say it is a skin cosmetic. Okay, we can use the gel for applying on the skin. We can take the gel and we can put on our hair. And we can make some food items with the gel, some soft drinks. And also in cosmetic industries, it is used in the production of lotions, soap, perfume, shampoo, conditioner. Okay. And if you are continuously, daily you are using that gel, or daily or twice in a week, if you are using this gel, scientific report says that your skin will be always clear and your skin will be always in this age. That is, aging will not come. Vayasagadu.
Yes.
You can use. Okay. Then it is a good antioxidant. It is a good antioxidant, antifungal and antiseptic.
If we eat this means sugar and this.
And mainly we can use this for skin care cosmetics. Okay. So in this aloe vera also there are many uses. If you see, there are many uses. So chances of asking question from aloe vera also. Okay. Then finally perfumes. Jasmine. You all are familiar with jasmine. There are several types of jasmine. Madura is famous for? Mallipu. Yes. So, scientific name is Jasminum grandiflorum. Jasminum grandiflorum. It is originated in northern western Himalaya. It is originated from Himalaya. Okay. In Tamil Nadu, Madura and Kanyakumari district, Thovalai. What is it? Thovalai. Okay. So mainly jasmine is used in preparation of perfume, soap, shampoo. Okay. cosmetic products are, and mainly we are using jasmine in some ceremonies, wedding ceremony or whatever the ceremony, whatever the function, we will prefer jasmine. Okay, it is a part of function. We can say jasmine is a part of function, any function. So that's all about varieties. Okay, so we completed almost all the varieties: pulses, cereals, then fruits, vegetables, beverages, oil seeds, nuts, latex, cosmetics, sugar, timber. So next class we can discuss traditional system of medicine. Traditional system of medicine. Then what are medicinal plants? What are psychoactive drugs? Then what are entrepreneurial botany? Then finally organic pesticide. How we can prepare organic pesticides in our own home. Then how we can prepare biopest repellent in our home and how we can utilize for our home garden. Today, take you now a quick recap. First question, rubber, Hevea brasiliensis. It is originated in dash. Rubber is originated in dash. Okay, where it is originated, rubber. Second one, give an example for cosmetic. Third one, dash is known as king of spices. Fourth one, dash is known as queen of spices. Queen. Okay. Then dash is the world's most important non-food commercial crop. First one, answer Brazil. Second one, aloe vera. Third one, pepper. Fourth one, cardamom. Fifth one, cotton. That's all about today. Thank you.